I'm Ken Sneed. Welcome to Maher Chevrolet. When you come see me, I'd like to show you this beautiful vehicle that I have right here. It's a 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. This is a really nice car. It's a 2013, but it only has less than 12,000 miles on it. It has the leather seats. It has the bigger screen. It has the Bluetooth, hands-free calling. Now, it also has heated seats. So if your back stiffens up or if it's cold outside, those heated seats really will loosen up your back, or it'll warm you up when it's cold outside. Everything is organized to where you can reach and have access to every option very easily. There's a lot of room in here. With a group of 3 or 4, everyone rides comfortably. I'm Ken Sneed. I'm at Maher Chevrolet in St. Petersburg, Florida. Come see me and come take advantage of the great deals we're running, especially on gems like this one.